hope everybody had a great weekend and all that shit. Anyway, life's great. Pussy's still good. Y'all know how I do it. I just jump right to it. So look, so check this out. So Chico Bean was on the Breakfast Club last weekend, a week, whatever. And he had some very interesting things to say about relationships. And this is what he had to say.
While they're in a relationship.
While they're in a relationship,
just as an independent human being, like I'm self-sufficient. I can handle all these things because a lot of people talk about how women are so independent now that it's hard for them to be in relationships because guys kind of want you to be a little dependent on them.
I mean, I think independence is masked as being an adult. You're an adult, so it's certain things that you should do on your own. You shouldn't, I think a lot of women are looking for men to do the things for them that their father was supposed to. You know what I mean? And the unfortunate part is you can't be looking for somebody to be your daddy and not be obedient like a child would.
Talk your shit, motherfucking Chico, motherfucking Bean. That shit is so true. As far as like Angelique asked him about women being independent, and sometimes they want a woman to be independent. So he was like, "So what do you think about?" She's like, "So what do you think about women who are independent?" And he broke like it's true. Like as an adult, you have to do adult things, so you have to be independent, man and woman, right? And so then as you also heard, how he said, and I agree 100. He was like, look, if you want, if a woman want to depend on a man, then you have to, if you are a woman and you want a man, and if you are, wait, hold on. If you are a woman and you looking to depend on a man, then you have to expect the childlike type of behavior that you have to present to that man because he's taking care of you, basically. You understand what I'm saying? See, I'm not that type of bitch, though. I mean, it's all good for anybody who likes to play that role or whatnot. So that means that you would have to be somewhat submissive the majority of the motherfucking time due to the fact that you are totally dependent on this man. Now, and ain't nothing wrong with that, ladies, if that's the route that you choose to be, or play. Now, I will be submissive to my man, like, you know what I'm saying, but not in the whole spectrum, because I'm also bringing shit to the table. You understand what I'm saying? Because I also have something to bring to the world. You know, with my fashion, with my what the fuck else I do, y'all? Oh, you know, I'm an author. I got this, my seductive art, like. You know what I'm saying? So I'm bringing something, and he also needs to be bringing something. So, and then also, let's speak what Cynthia G also said, because I like her a lot. People be giving her a lot of problems, but she be popping her shit too about like how sometimes women be black men's welfare. I didn't watch the video, but I was like, yeah, sometimes that shit be true. Because some dudes be fucked up, and then you fucked up, and then you have to live with a woman. So now, man, due to the fact that you are dependent on a woman, like say you fucked up, whatever, and she agreed to fuck with you, so then you also gotta play that submissive motherfucking role. Clean up this motherfucking house. Do it. I mean, you know what I'm saying? All that shit within the relationship. Not to say that she do that outside, but in the house. Like, you know what I'm saying? You still let a man be a man. You understand what I'm saying? But that role goes for both motherfuckers who choose to want to depend on somebody else. You understand what I'm saying? Because if you're in a relationship, you shouldn't only just be bringing pussy real good, you know what I'm saying, or dick real good. You have to bring other things. You know what I'm saying? Financial, emotional, spiritual, and all the other things that you feel that is significant to you as a person in a relationship, and also your partner. Then you guys come together and bridge that gap. You understand what I'm saying? And he also had this to say, so check this shit out.
Don't worry about that. I don't never want to be married or be in a relationship.
Or
so.
you don't never want to be in a relationship?
No.
Not even live
Not
with
even a girlfriend? No, why would I do that? That is no. Look at my man over in the corner. You wish somebody would have said that on the mic before.
He from Ghana. He want 5 wives.
Oh, good for you. Good for you. As long as you can afford them, you should be able to
so
have
you don't want to live with anybody?
No. I don't. Nah. You know, like I said, I get most of my, interaction and relationship, dependence from the environment that I come from, rather. And I watched my mother go through my whole life. never finding a man to keep it real with her and tell her exactly what it was that was going on. So I'm out here just trying to be the nigga that my mother never had. I don't have no lies to tell you. I don't have no lies to tell you. I feel like if somebody would have gave Wanda the opportunity, she would have been a hell of a soldier for somebody who was worth it, and it would have made our life easier. So for me, I don't have no lies to tell you. You're not going to be the only woman that I ever. That's it. It's illogical to me to even allow a woman to think that if I love you and care about you, there's no way I would allow you to think that as a man that you are going to be the only woman that I want to deal with.
What if she's okay with you dating other people?
Well, that's cool, but the thing is, I'm going to be honest with you about that from the jump. My whole mantra is no victims, only volunteers. You'll never be a victim to no bullshit, only a volunteer to my truth. So you have a choice as to whether or not you want to deal with me or not, but you have to understand that you won't be the only woman that I deal with. Now, in fairness, you have a lot of men who say that and then be like, I do what I want, you do what I tell you. I'm also not that way.
All right.
And when it comes to women, I don't care what you do when I'm not around.
This must be a wilded out thing.
But like I said, I'm not the type of person that's going to tell you I can do what I want, you do what I tell you. As long as whatever you do don't bring me no problems, I don't care what you do. My uncle told me a long time ago, if you don't wake up in the morning and wash your pussy, it don't belong to you. It's yours. You going to do what you want to do with it. As long as the nigga ain't mad when it's my turn, we straight.
You take women.
Damn, my lips dry as hell. But look, excuse me. Y'all heard what he just said, right? Right? I've been saying that shit for a minute. I mean, well, not that. Okay, let me back up. First, he said that he don't want to be in a relationship. And that is fine. And he said that he be honest. Now, I believe him. You know what I'm saying? And he said that he tell women straight up, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, we can chill, we be together. You know what I'm saying? You do what you do, I do what you do, and we leak up when we leak up. And he don't want to be in a relationship. That's the same thing with some women who don't want to have children. Every woman does not want to have a motherfucking baby. You understand what I'm saying? They don't want that. For whatever their reasons are. That's just not for them. Everything isn't for everyone. And it's okay and cool for you to make that decision as an independent thinking motherfucking person. And I like the way he motherfucking think. And he also make me think about this man. I think I told y'all before that I was fucking with. When I met this dude, man, he was so motherfucking raw. Like, I believe I will meet somebody else like that. He was like, yo, I got a girl, I got another chick, and you gonna be he said, you gonna be my girlfriend. And he said, I got a girl, a side chick, and you gonna be my girlfriend. And yes, I was just like, appalled when he said it. I was like, what do you mean I'm gonna be? But then again, see, his money was long. He was able to, and not only that, he was also nice to me. And he was nice and he was honest. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I know not to jump the barriers because he already let me know what time it is. You fall in love with this dick, that's on you. You understand what I'm saying? But keep your motherfucking emotions in check. You understand what I'm saying? Because like no, we ain't on that type of time. We could be loving with each other when we with each other, but when we apart from each other, you know, I got a whole nother life. I got to grow up, a wife I'm about to marry, a fiance I'm about to marry, and I got another chick. And of course, whenever we had sex, it was always safe. Like, don't do that. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, and I appreciate that he said he don't want to be in a relationship. What else the fuck did he say? And another thing too about this ownership too. People, you really have to get your mind right when you're in a relationship, especially men, and also women too. Like, just because you in a relationship with somebody, they still their own fucking person. You understand what I'm saying? They still their own person. And whatever the fuck they want to do with their dick, his dick, whoever you want to fuck with his dick, he gonna fuck with his dick regardless. Same thing with a chick. That's her pussy. Whatever the fuck she want to do with her motherfucking pussy, and who she want to give her pussy to is who she gonna give it to. But the thing is, people, in the midst of you doing all that, be motherfucking smart and shit. Always wear motherfucking condoms, and also women, like, don't be letting these dudes lick your pussy without a goddamn dental dam. Like, you don't, and plus, a lot of motherfuckers don't go to the dentist and don't brush their teeth, girl. Got all types of tartar and motherfucking plaque and all breath stink, rotten teeth, gingivitis, all types of shit going on. So you gotta be careful with your motherfucking pussy. Don't be letting everybody just on your shit. You understand what I'm saying? But shout out to motherfucking Chico Bean. I like that, you know, his outlook on when it comes to relationship, and I believe that he is that type of dude. I don't know. Like, y'all see, I'm watching him just like you. And I believe that is like kind of who he is. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate like men like that to just straight up be honest, and also that he don't want to be in a relationship. That everybody don't choose to be in a motherfucking relationship. Everybody don't all women don't want to have motherfucking children. The same thing as men. You know, another man who I was like, who been in my mind, who said that they didn't want to have children, that was John Cena. And I was like, as rich as this man is, why the fuck he don't want to have no kids? You know what I'm saying? But then again, like what does that have to do with anything? You know what I'm saying? Whatever his perspective is, and whatever he probably went through as a child, or just or his outlook on life, maybe like nah. Because yeah, it is being a parent myself. Like I mean, you worry a lot. You know what I'm saying? You all you can do is just teach them because they are an individual. Individual. You know what I'm saying? And they're gonna make their own motherfucking decisions out here in this world. And you pray that they remember the things that you taught them and all that shit, so your stress level would be down. You understand what I'm saying? So y'all let me know what y'all think about what Chico Bean said and all that old shit. And if I resonate with you, you know what to do. Please hit that, click that. Y'all know my name is Real. I'm an intimacy coach / seductress with a service called Seductive. That's Seductive Art. And I'm having my Seductive Art workshop on December 3rd, ladies, in New York City. You can go to my website, seductive-art.com. You can learn about me. You can understand like what seductive art is and what's going to happen. It's interactive, it's informative, and it's filled with sexy fun. Like, you do not want to miss it. It's right after your holiday. If you done ate all the soul food you can eat, you know what I'm saying? Come over here. We're going to have a good motherfucking time and relax and release amongst your sisters. And we're going to talk about sex and human sexual behaviors from our perspective. And we also, it's just a lot of shit going on. So I hope you come and check it out. And also, what the fuck, if you want to participate in the Real Sex Talk segment, you can for only $10. You can just cash at me. All the information is there. And then I'll send you the Zoom link and all that. Then we get it popping. And you also know I'm an author. The title of my book is called Quickie. It's 7 short erotic story. Read while you fuck while you read. It's the slogan. You already know what time it is. And my fashion brand, Real Nice, website coming. Just give me a minute. You know what I'm saying? And y'all know how we lead this motherfucker. Be kind, be gracious, be on time, be focused, be about your motherfucking money. Be knowing when there's some fake ass motherfuckers around you and know how to get rid of them immediately. Be all these pleasantries that you could possibly be. Be opinionated, be assertive. Don't be no punk ass. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm definitely not telling you to do that. Always speak your mind. But in the midst of all of that, regardless of whatever the circumstances is, the environment, the people that you are, the one thing you should never fold on, and that is being you. Until we meet again, peace.